The SA365 is a turnkey security appliance with SIEM and global detection and response capabilities. It provides early detection of malware and malicious threats using log analytics and behavioral analysis, enabling real-time response. Most modern backup software uses threat detection and response during backup jobs. The SA365 adds an essential layer of protection. It works before backups are taken and between scheduled backup times, giving your cybersecurity infrastructure early warning capabilities in addition to the protection you already have in your backup stack. By flagging infected backups, the SA365 helps prevent reinfection. It integrates seamlessly with syslog servers. And it's also available as Stonefly 365 GDR, which can be deployed on backup servers and is built directly into Stonefly backup and disaster recovery solutions. In this video, we'll demonstrate how SA365 delivers early malware detection. The SA365 actively monitors activity across your environment. When malicious behavior is detected, it generates alerts, flags the infected restore points, and triggers incremental backups. This ensures that you can restore clean environments while infected virtual machines and files are identified and isolated. Each alert provides a clear description of the malicious activity that was detected. This could include PowerShell execution, brute force attempts, or SQL injection. The detailed insights help your IT and security teams act quickly and effectively. The SA365 also integrates with leading enterprise antivirus solutions to support comprehensive log collection, analysis, and response. This includes ClamAV, Kaspersky, Windows Defender, and many others, making it a natural fit within enterprise-grade security ecosystems. With SA365, your organization gains proactive early malware detection, reduced risk of reinfection through verified backups, and seamless integration with your existing security and backup infrastructure. The SA365 isn't just a security appliance. It's a critical safeguard built to strengthen your enterprise cybersecurity and data protection strategy. For more details, visit Stonefly website or contact sales@stonefly.com to schedule a demo today.